Calculation of oxidation number. Before calculating the oxidation number, let us discuss oxidation and reduction in terms of oxidation number. Okay, so what is oxidation? What is oxidation in terms of oxidation number? Oxidation is defined as a chemical change which occurs an increase in oxidation number of an atom. Okay, so oxidation is defined as the chemical change in which there occurs an increase in oxidation number of an atom or atoms. Okay, of the atom or atoms. Similarly, what is reduction? Reduction is defined as the chemical change in which there occurs a decrease in the oxidation number of an atom or atoms. Okay, reduction. Chemical change in which there occurs a decrease in oxidation number. Okay, a decrease in oxidation number of an atom or atoms. Okay. Now, what is oxidizing agent in terms of oxidation number? Oxidizing agent, we know oxidizing agent is the acceptor of electrons. Okay, so oxidizing agent is a substance which suffers a decrease in oxidation number of one or more elements. Okay, so a substance which suffers a decrease in oxidation number. Okay, decrease in oxidation number of one or more of its elements. Okay, next, what is reducing agent? Substance which suffers an increase in oxidation number of one or more of its elements. Reducing agent. Substance which suffers an increase in oxidation number of one or more of its elements. Okay, because reducing agent is the donor of electrons. So there is an increase in the oxidation number. Let us take an example in the case of H2S plus Cl2 gives 2HCl plus S. Here hydrogen plus 1 minus 2 oxidation state is minus 2 here, then 0 here, plus 1 minus 1 0. Okay, so here we can see that sulfur minus 2 to 0 means there is an increase in the oxidation number. So this is a oxidation reaction. And similarly from H2 and Cl2 there is a decrease. Here increase and here decrease, that is from 0 to minus 1. So what happens? There is a decrease in the oxidation number. So from chlorine, this is reduction, and sulfur, this is oxidation. Okay, so oxidizing agent is chlorine. Okay, oxidizing agent chlorine. Okay, Cl2 is the oxidizing agent. Okay, now what is reducing agent? Reducing agent is H2S. Okay, like this we can explain oxidation and reduction in terms of oxidation number. Now let us calculate the oxidation number of some compounds. Okay, first compound K2Cr2O7. We have to find the oxidation number of chromium Cr. How can we find? The sum of this algebraic sum of all the elements will be, all the atoms, the oxidation number of all the atoms will be 0. Okay, so here 2 potassium K is having +1 oxidation number and oxygen -2. So 2 into +1 plus 2x, because chromium oxidation number we have to calculate, plus 7 into -2, that is equal to 0. Okay, so 2x equals 14 minus 2. Okay, so 14 minus 2 is 12. So x is equal to 12 by 2, that is 6. 12 by 2, 6. So the oxidation state of chromium is +6. Okay, like this we can find the oxidation number or oxidation state of unknown elements. Okay, then next compound CrO4 2 minus. CrO4 2 minus. How can we find? So here the algebraic sum, this is an ion. So algebraic sum will be equal to -2. So we don't know chromium. So x plus 4 into oxidation state of oxygen is -2. That is equal to -2. Okay. So x is equal to -2 plus 8. It's equal to +6. Here also chromium is having +6 oxidation state. Now let us take another example. S2O8 2 minus. Okay. So here this is a peroxide. Okay. So two types of oxygen are present in the ion. Okay. And the sum will be -2. Okay. So two oxygen atoms are having peroxide linkage, and also peroxide linkage oxygen is having oxidation number -1. Okay, -1. All the other cases oxygen is having -2 oxidation number. Okay, so now let us find 2x, because sulfur we have to find the oxidation number of sulfur. So 2x plus 2 oxygen atoms are peroxide linkage. So its oxidation number is -1. Okay, 2 oxygen atoms. Then other 6 atoms are normal oxygen. So it is having -2 oxidation number. This is equal to -2, because this is an ion having a charge -2. Okay, so 2x will be equal to -2 minus 12. Okay, so this will be equal to -2 minus 12 minus, so plus 40. Okay, it's equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 by 2. It's equal to 6. So sulfur is having +6 oxidation number. Okay, now let us take next example. Next example, Ne2S4O6. Okay, oxidation state of sulfur we have to find. Here +1, then -2. So 2 into 1 plus 4x plus 6 into -2 equals 0. Okay, so 4x equal 12 minus 2. That is equal to 10. Okay, so x is equal to 10 by 4. So 2.5. So sulfur oxidation state is 2.5. It's a fractional value. So sometimes oxidation state may be fractional also. Next, fifth one, H2SO5. Here 5 oxygen atoms are present. Peroxide linkage is there in the case of H2SO5, peroxide. In the case of peroxide, the oxidation state is -1. So 2 oxygen atoms is having -1 oxidation state and other 3 is having -2 oxidation state. So we have to find the oxidation state of sulfur. So 2 into, this is +1, 2 into +1 plus sulfur X plus 2 into -1. 2 peroxide, 2 oxygens are used for peroxide linkage plus 3 into -2 equals 0. Okay. X is equal to 0. So X is equal to +6. So oxidation state is +6. Okay. Next example. Sixth one, CaOCl2. We have to find the oxidation number of chlorine. Okay. Here hypochlorite ion is present. Hypochlorite. Hypochlorite means OCl minus. Okay. So one chlorine is present in OCl minus and the other one is Cl minus. Okay. Ca is having 2+ charge. So in the case of OCl minus, oxidation state, how can we find? Chlorine. Oxygen is having -2 and -1 will be present on the ion. Okay. So -2 plus X. X is the oxidation number of chlorine equals -1 because -1 is on the ion. So X is equal to -1 plus 2. That is equal to +1. So hypochlorite ion is having +1 oxidation state and chlorine, other chlorine is having -1 oxidation state. So two oxidation states are there for chlorine, +1 and -1. Okay. Next, NH4 NO3. NH3. So here we have to find the oxidation number of nitrogen atom. Both nitrogen atoms are having different oxidation state. Okay. How can we find it? Here NH4 plus ion and NO3 minus ion are there. First we have to find the oxidation state of nitrogen in NH4 plus. Okay. So NH4 plus. Hydrogen is having +1 oxidation state. So 4 into +1 plus X is the oxidation state of nitrogen is equal to +1. So X is equal to 1 minus 4, that is equal to -3. So in NH4 plus nitrogen is having -3 oxidation state, and what will be in the case of NO3 minus? Here nitrogen X plus 3 into -2 equal -1 is the charge of NO3. Okay. So X is equal to -1 plus 6, that is equal to +5. Okay. Here nitrogen is having +5 oxidation state and here nitrogen is having -3 oxidation state. So same compound, nitrogen atoms are having different oxidation state. Okay.